With Wink Reports, you can connect to different data sources to create one single report. This video will show you how to import your Excel data as a source to create a report. First, you need to set up a connector to Excel. To do this, you need to click on your login name on the top right corner of the screen. When the drop-down menu appears, select Setup Connector. There you're able to see the list of available connectors. Scroll down and locate File Import, then click on the Connect Now button. After clicking Connect Now, you'll see the File Import connector. If this is your first time adding an Excel file, you can either click on the green button labeled Import New File or click on the blue hyperlink, Please Add One. So once you've clicked either Import New File or the Please Add One button, you come to this screen. So you need to input the title of the report you want to import to Excel. For example, I'll use Sales Report as the title. Then browse to choose a file that you want to import. For this tutorial, I'll use the Sales Report file. All right, now you can see that the file has been imported. Click Save. And now the file has been successfully imported without error. Now go to the Reports tab, design a new report, put the title of the report that you want, data type is Spreadsheet, data source will be the Excel file that you have imported, and for this case it will be the sales report, and then click Create. All right, now you've successfully created a report from an Excel file.